Hi, my name is Sandra, and this is Skin is My Story. I have been a licensed esthetician for over 20 years. I'm a business owner, a beauty mentor, and a practicing herbalist. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain what high frequency is, the benefits of it, the different types of tools and wands that you can use, why you would pick the certain colors for the certain skin types, and how often you can use this treatment. Zapping your acne. What a concept. Yes, it can be done, and it's been around for a long time. Let me explain. High frequency is a low level of energy or current that works with argon gas and neon gas to create an environment that, when used, helps to reduce inflammation, kill bacteria that's actually in the skin, thriving oxygen throughout, circulating blood as well. By doing all of these things, acne thrives in a closed environment where there is no oxygen or lack of oxygen in the skin. This treatment, called high frequency, increases the oxygenation in the skin, killing the bacteria, reducing the inflammation, and overall appearance of the skin. So it's really beneficial. So what do you need to do before you start this treatment? You need to prep your skin. Prepping your skin, meaning cleaning your skin really well with a good cleanser, and take the time to do that. That is a really important step. Just to take the time to clean your skin. So maybe a minute and a half, not 10 seconds like most people do. They just put the cleanser on their skin, swish it around, and rinse it off. That's not effective enough to clean your skin. And possibly even put like a toner on that will remove any extra debris that may be resting on the skin, but also prepping your skin for this treatment. So what are the different types of wands? And what are they used for? Well, there are two types. There's one, it's called argon gas. It is a purple color, generally for oily acne. It is a stronger current, I feel. And then there is the neon gas, which is a more orangey color. That is for drier skin types, hyperpigmentation, blemished skin. Okay, so your machine is off. Select your electrode. You just put it in, you pop it down. Just gently, and it's in. Make sure it's all the way snug, all the way, so there's no like give or it's not loose. It has to be in there. You can glide it around the skin, just like so, all the way around. You don't have to use anything. I'm going to turn this off because it's a little distracting, but you can use it without anything on your skin, or put a gauze around it. You can get this wet if you want to in some hydrogen peroxide just to get it a little saturated. Place the gauze over your face and then proceed on top of the gauze. Place it on the skin where you're going to be treating, and then just go ahead and glide this on top of the gauze just like so. You can even move the gauze around as you're working. The reason why I said you can go ahead and dip the gauze into hydrogen peroxide is an oxygenated liquid. What does bacteria not like? It doesn't like oxygen. So placing oxygen on the skin and using this device will actually lessen the breakouts that you're having. Hydrogen peroxide, though, if you are working with it, is a bit drying, so make sure you use a moisturizer when you are finished. Okay, last step before you're finished with your treatment. This takes, honestly, 5-10 minutes. Really doesn't take that long. Again, you can do it every day or every week. Just depends on your skin and what your skin needs. Now, the last step after you go over your skin with the mushroom or one of choice, I like to spot treat. This is more of a tapping method, not the gliding method with the mushroom tip, but more tapping. So if you have like a little blemish here, you're just going to tap it. It will kind of zap a little bit because you're releasing and moving air in between, but it's a little stronger of a current. So it's really targeting that bacteria and inflammation. Once everything is complete, put some moisturizer on and you're good. It's that easy. I would also like to emphasize that this is a really good treatment for males, especially if you are shaving. For folliculitis, which is that embedded hair that you get after shaving, maybe a little inflammation that's paired with it. You get the pustules, so this is a really great treatment for that as well. Pretty easy, right? I'm glad that I can explain this to you. It's very simple. It doesn't have to be scary. Yes, it does feel weird at the beginning just because you're not used to that sensation, and the thought of it zapping is a little off-putting, if you will. But once you get used to it, it's a pretty awesome treatment to incorporate in your routine. I hope this video was useful for you. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!